Hi guys, I'm Jordan from Accommodation for Students, and today we're in Wilmslow Park, Manchester, looking at IQ student accommodation with 8 different room types and great transport links to local universities. Let's take a look. With options for both individual and group study, Wilmslow Park offers a very large study space as well as meeting rooms that can be booked out for up to 4 hours at a time. With plenty of social space, IQ offers activities such as table tennis, pool, PlayStation areas, as well as 2 large rooms that can be booked out for private parties and events. Here we have a standard communal area in Wilmslow Park, fully refurbished kitchen, integrated appliances and ample living space. With bed spaces for 1,000 students, all rooms come with ensuite facilities and integrated study space.